the field goal from Gabriel Martinelli, and Arsenal extraordinarily are level at the bridge. Hector Bellerin! Oh, it's a super goal! And the Gunners drag it back again! Kepa furious, Lampard silenced. The travelling supporters jumping up and down. One Spanish fullback swaps goals with another. Jorginho, immaculate. That's a beautifully smooth penalty. Neatly into the bottom corner, and Chelsea emphatically into the lead. Quickly on with the corner, in by Batshuayi, and sneaked in at the near post. Cesar Azpilicueta with a nifty finish. He can sit and settle again with a modicum of comfort. Here is Eric Lamela, he's onside, he's away from Maitland-Niles, goalkeeper has felt it, and Eriksson has followed it in, and Tottenham lead on enemy territory. Christian Eriksen from out of the eye of a personal storm into the embrace of teammates who need him to stay. Harry Kane spots on again, on Derby Day again, and Tottenham have comfort at Arsenal. But for now, here's Pepe, and here's Lacazette! Lashes Arsenal a lifeline. We've got a game here. We have got a game. Boy, they needed that, and boy, he gave it the lot. And Doozy, Aubameyang! A featherlight touch that means so much. From 2 down at home in the derby, Arsenal are all square again. Through the middle, Mane looks to find him, Origi's in, Origi scores again in the derby. It's his game. He turns effervescent red when the Blues visit.
Dead man walking, Marco Silva. And it's as if Divock Origi is saying, remember me, Jordan Pickford.
Mane's forcing him back. Sadio Mane, Shaqiri too. So sweet, splendid, succinct Liverpool football. And Everton just don't know where to look.
How clinical do you want it?
Played it for Iwobi. Iwobi in for Keane. Everton strike back in front of the Kop. It's turning into quite a derby. There's a bit of blue boisterousness. Lovren. That's a super ball. What a touch! What a finish! What a magnificent goal from Divock Origi. That was sumptuous. It's Trent Alexander-Arnold. Sadio Mane! Another brilliant Liverpool break. Another splendid Liverpool goal. They are in Merseyside paradise. Aimed at Richarlison. Plunging header. Everton resume their interest. Away from Holgate. And speared in by Wijnaldum. Number 5 for number 5. Son crashes it through the keeper and has Tottenham and Jose jumping again.
It's a great finish, isn't it?
Son, Lucas Moura's going in and the ball is in. Flying back with him was Cresswell. And between them they've done enough, and Tottenham are 2 up and cruising here. Aurier's cross, Kane was arriving, and Tottenham are 3 to the good. This is some rebirth. He's the captain of his club, the captain of his country. Tottenham almost certainly win. Antonio scores, and West Ham have an interest at last. What a positive point of difference he has been. Not time for West Ham to score twice. They might once. Snodgrass plays it in. They have. Ogbonna switches it in as the clock turns 96. His clearance is hurried. Back by McTominay! Red letter day! Scott McTominay! Ederson's day to hide. Solskjaer's day to look to paradise and say, I've done the double over the neighbours. Why not wrap it up in style, United? Fernandes, who orchestrates another set piece and flicks it.
انت طارة وتعبان ولا حالة جوجا حكي إيسي دي أخي
بوق يا ري ماشي تدحن سنة جوج
أنا مفيوي أنا بواجرنا حتى حالكان اللي داوي
ترتيب هذا العادي ماشي بتالو عادي والله فضينا حق التقادي
سيكو تقول يا تعبان ولا حالة علي داوي هدي لي داوي نبستالكان الحرس بتال
حالة سمينا هدت كان كاهرة
بستالكان ننكي جرن هدي له داوي هينين المانغو نكريس يالك ما أنت أنا لي داوي يا هينك بري ما
walaale WhatsApp-ka online ta mar walba da ku soo wacana taleefanka miyi qabanaysa maxaa dhac walaale
yarta marta daahawayo WhatsApp-ta itu walalaanta attaya qashwaay
waaye maxaa sameeyaa
eeriso martasto hormuud taleeysoowa martas attaya shahsha oo naqana
مودنا شقاو بانا شادوينكي نوتا
اوكي magacaaga
kala kacnaa kala kicis
haw kala kacsha a'uudu billahi taqasuskana xaawa
qallowa shaqada
u kaadi kor u kac kabtaada gasho maahan kabanka xoolaa maahane
mudana taqasuskayga qaliinka wadnaha waaye
ma sha Allah umadaad anficaysaa balse indhahan kuwaaga reer quracay u eegyihiin waa qolama qawiilkaaga Somali ogsi shaqada wax walba soo maalnimada ka weyn
waa maasantaa iga fuq cali Mariano video waa dhameeyay
soo ku dhamaha intum ku dhamaayeen
وريا واردية بريان توجد بس أبتين إنها كفر
أي تالو يا ويش يمد يا أو مودنو حللي عاو شركو ميشان ولا حلي مرخ دهاي أنا مجو كاس توكل دي لاي
نين قمبلك خرابة هاي آلكو توكل ما هنو
سي وكاسي كاسا
هدا كاستي محا أخوان ويسهي
شيت إنا خبط الإسعايا خلاص وقت تعديل
هاي قروحي سدي وحاربا ناس برنو
fiican qurxo soo dhawow
هاي goormaata mas garab
ayaan ahay walaal
meeqa ciyaal haysta
8 ilmood ayaan haystaa waxa lii guursadaa anigoo 13 jir ah
ama 13 ama 5 sano lagu guursado 8 cunug xaqiiqiya maxaa aanay xanaanada carruurta ma imoodi
asiga ayaa biilkooda bixinaya
8 ilmood guriga joogan ma wala saxan karan uu kala wad qaxootiyay
may walaal waan ku jeclahay
jacayl waaba ka dhamaaday hadaa 8 cunug dhashay asigii ka dhala kulun noqo